Namaste, I'm Vishakha from OrjaBox. Today we are taking you into the future journey of how we can cook without using LPG. This entire meal for the whole day can be cooked on renewable energy. The meal is cooked on time, it tastes good, and effort is saved. The vision of OrjaBox is that every person who cooks food should be able to cook at least one meal using renewable energy devices. And hence, this is a demonstration of all the cooking processes that can be done using renewable energy, and we are also demonstrating the time and the effort that goes into it. So enjoy this meal cooked completely on renewable energy and contact us to know more about how you can start your journey of sustainable cooking. So this is a steam cooker. We are using briquettes made from biochar, that is garden waste and coconut shells, to ignite this particular cooker. We have already seen that it is steaming really well, and we have already put dhokla and rice for steaming in this, which will be ready in another 40 minutes. 120 grams of briquettes are used for cooking one cycle. These wax strips can be made at home from our newspaper wraps. These are newspapers folded and then dipped into our regular paraffin bags. 20 grams of briquettes are used for cooking one cycle. These are the wax strips which we use for igniting this cooker. We are introducing you to a new cooking range. This is the future devices of your kitchen. We have a parabolic solar cooker which concentrates sunlight and cooks delicious food. We have a tube cooker, and this also works only with sun's energy. No battery, no button. This is a regular box cooker. We are using it for roasting right now. Right now we are drying onions. This is a small toy cooker which is useful for children who just want to start their cooking journey with the sun's energy. So this is the biogas. We are using biogas for which is generated from food waste, that is whatever leftover food is there. It can be rice, chapati, vegetable peels. We are inserting that that leftover food into the digester, and the gas is collected in this balloon, and it is then piped to the kitchen where we are going to make poha. We are going to make our next snack item on biogas. This is the biogas piping that is coming. We are using a biogas that is generated using the food waste, and you can see that this is how we ignite it. So we can regulate the gas flow using this knob, and moving it towards you will increase the flame, and otherwise So let us check if our dhokla is ready. Yes, it is almost ready. And we'll have lot of hot water which can be used for the second round of cooking, like heating milk or reheating your vegetables, or you can simply keep your cooked food into this. It would stay warm for 4 hours. We can also use this steamer as the warmer, and we can keep our cooked food over it so that it stays warm, and we can have it when it's warm. We are making a brinjal vegetable in the box cooker. Our pulao mix is ready, and now we are going to keep it on our parabolic solar cooker for cooking. We are baking a cake in the tube cooker. We have mixed all the ingredients of kheer, and we are going to cook this kheer in the box cooker. Let's check how the rice is doing. Normally it takes around 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Our rice is done, and we can see steaming hot spicy pulao is ready. So cake is almost done. The kheer is also steaming. The vegetable is also ready.